Welcome back to another Vlogmas. Today I woke up to Luna wanting belly rubs and cuddles in the big bed. I went to bed late again last night, so I didn't get up until like 9:30, 10 today. Did my morning routine of sorting the dogs out. I had a coffee. We all had our Christmas advent calendars. The dogs are honestly just obsessing over there. They know what it looks like now, so anytime I pick it up they get so excited. I journaled again and then I had a relaxing bath. Then I got my Amazon order through. I ordered some ribbon because I wanted to do some like Christmassy hair tutorials. So here is me just doing some Christmassy themed makeup ready to film. And the ribbon wasn't only for my hair. I wanted to do like some ribbon bow hacks. Then super exciting, my friend Danny has launched his brand, so he kindly sent me one of his candles which smells divine. After lunch I did some more filming, popped to Asda because I've thrown a little surprise present together for my friend, and also picked up some more stocking fillers for the dogs. Milk Makeup sent me their best products of 2023, and Donut Time sent me some Christmassy donuts. I did some editing after dinner, and then I shared a sad update about Sophie Hannah hair. I am absolutely gutted to be shutting it down, but it's what's right for me and the brand. Felt very nervous sharing it tonight, so I then gave myself an evening with the doggies to just cheer me up. And oh my god, honestly, they're the best fur babies in the world. My two best friends. Genuinely, what would we do if we didn't have dogs in our lives?